Wait, what? What?
A very big car enthusiast.
Yes, Justin, my friend Justin. He is a big car enthusiast. He owns a Miata. He owns a Corolla station wagon. He owns the Mazda. I forgot what Mazda he owns, but he owns a couple of Mazdas. But anyways, he bought my wheels. Gotta switch them out for these. I used these when I bent the wheel on my Celica over there. So now we're swapping them out, and I'm actually stealing this beautiful, move out of the way. I'm stealing this beautiful TRD muffler.
Sad reacts.
No sad reacts because it's going in my car.
For me.
Oh, you can keep my old TRD
If
muffler.
any of you viewers like me, you better put down in the comments to give me my shit back.
But this thing's gorgeous. Look at those.
Shut up.
Look at those camber arms.
Shut up.
$300 camber arms.
I don't want to hear it.
Does he even have a sway bar? Oh no. Hey, you want to buy my sway bar?
Sure.
How much kids for your sway bar?
Sure. Match everything.
There you go. Huh. Yeah, I'll sell it to you, dude. Let's go ahead and remove this. I believe this is a 14 millimeter. We'll remove this one, and then we remove the one from closer. It's recording. Let's record. Let me point this bitch out.
This motherfucker broke my bolt.
I did not break shit. So here it is. There's that TRD muffler. This is the only reason why I wanted it. Oh my god, that is so sexy. Turd. But he's keeping my old one. Mine is the same exact thing. It's just the tip was damaged. We cut it and we installed an eBay tip. I don't like it. It sounds good, but I'm all TRD. So I need, if it's TRD part, I needed to show TRD because I'm a TRD whore. Who that?
The nigga that knows how to jack up a car.
I tried raising the car on the same spot the one for the Corolla is, and it slipped. Nothing got damaged though. So why are you
I
hating?
see a scratch underneath.
Where?
Go look where you put the jack.
Oh, dude, just put undercoating and you'll be fine. Okay, so first drain this, remove the under panel bullshit. Don't worry about that for now. That's actually helping us because it's blocking the sun. So don't worry about that for now until the engine is ready to come out. So start taking multiple pictures of how he got this intake set up.
I did.
And let's drain the fluids. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Man, why is this shit carpeted?
It must be a nice thing to have because the ones I have are just all plastic.
Damn, you ain't taking this too.
Toyota cutting corners on the updated one, the 03 and up. Look at that. How come I don't have the carpeted one?
Imported.
Cozy.
Shit's not gonna drop on me?
No,
You sure?
not. Dude, it's all right. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100%.
100%?
That's the same spot I loaded the.
This doesn't sound promising.
Oh my god. Should probably go buy a creeper from Harbor Freight.
You don't have one?
No.
My back popping.
You need a flashlight? The flashlight's right there in front of you. Alright.
filming me struggling?
Yes. There you go. Go put it in the back of the car. Oh no, what are you doing? You're gonna scratch the lens right there! Everyone, watch this guy cringe hard! Iceman. What kind of intake is called Iceman? Throttle cable goes like that. These two 10 millimeters hold it in place. Loops around. Okay, that should be fine. Put these back in a bit so we don't lose them. So those are bolts for this cruise control bracket. I'm pretty sure this is custom bracket from Greddy because the cruise control box usually sits over there. Homeboy is sick over there with allergies. So we had a couple of hoses. This hose goes to the valve cover. This big one, the middle one, goes to the PCV. Take that one out. What is this one? This line right here is most likely for the brake booster, which is connected all the way inside right there. We're gonna disconnect the from all the way over here. This long hose that runs to the green cap. Don't forget it. So that top coolant line, that's the one that runs to the reservoir, which then runs to the top of the coolant or the radiator. The bottom one runs to the throttle body for the idle air control valve, which goes underneath right here. And then the out for that seems like it runs into the coolant passageway into the firewall. I think this is for like one of the meters that he has inside because you can see that there's two of them running in there.
There's a green and red one.
Green and red, so I'd assume one of them's like signal and the other one's power. I don't know. But just trying to remember that, Sebastian.
It might be two different signals, and then he just has ground. So that's already power.
So this first one is the green wire. It looks like he's bridging a brown with white onto this green one, and the second wire he's bridging is a it looks like a black with white going to the red wire. What is it? You have a spacer?
Yeah, there's a spacer right here.
And then there's the bolt.
This bracket.
And the bracket.
I don't think we can pull it out without
removing the fan assembly.
Yeah.
I'll remove it right now.
Well, actually, it's off, so we could we can leave it in there and then pull everything off.
All right, take that puppy out.
Am I still stuck on?
Oh.
Dun dun dun.
The whiner. The one that loves to whine a lot.
Damn.
Put it inside. Oh my god, who the hell? Put it inside the car. Don't leave it out here. It doesn't. It can't be left out here. That's like $1,000 part.
That's a $3,000 part.
Actually, I'm gonna go put it in my room. What are you doing there?
What's it look like?
It's for the video. Jeez, entertain our guests, man. Or our viewers. He's removing the starter, trying to get all these little accessories out of the way. so that we can finally pull out this 2ZZ. We're pretty close to pulling it out. We just really got to remove the 6 bolts that attach to the engine and transmission and the single motor mount. Because good thing of Toyotas, actually I lied. No, wait. Yeah, good thing about Toyotas, the 3 of the 4 mounts are on the transmission itself, not on the engine block. So it's going to be a little bit easier for us. Senior citizen dog right here. Subi! Subi! Hey, get the belt out of the way. Yum. Is it black or what?
No, it's like brown, kind of clear.
Drain the fluids. Does anyone want Kool-Aid? Really, really nasty looking Kool-Aid. What the fuck? Take off the filter.
I gotta take the filter out? No?
No? Alright, just leave it there then.
Yeah.
Ooh, someone's calling you. What?
Take the motor mount off.
Take it out.
I gotta take the motor mount off.
It's a 14 mil. Wait, you forgot one right here, dude. Right here. Let me see what's you need the extension? Right. Are there 3? Who that though?
I'll figure it out eventually.
Figure what?
I bought this whole set because I needed a 25, and for the life of me, I can't remember why I needed it.
But here we are, removing bits and pieces of this supercharged silica. Wow. Got the coolant all drained out, coolant hoses removed. I believe the next step is this whole, what is this, fuel rail bullshit? Disconnect those, get that whole bullshit out of the way. Disconnect the supercharger, since the belt's already removed, because I stole the alternator to put in my green silica.
Tell me everything you have taken off. List it right now.
No.
Alternator.
Wait. I got what?
You got my exhaust, my alternator. You had my wheels.
For like a day or two.
What else? You took my fucking battery.
Oh yeah, I did take his battery. Well, dude, the guy said that he had just purchased it, and it was pretty good. So I was like, well, fuck, I need a battery, so I'm gonna steal it. He doesn't need it. I'll buy him one later.
Oh.
Okay, so
give me the Walmart brand one.
I'll owe you the battery and the alternator, but the TRD exhaust.
The Walmart brand.
The TRD exhaust, I'll give you, or I will switch, and I'll even throw in.
I don't even care. I just need the. I literally just need the flange and like a 6-inch segment of piping attached to it, so that I can do a custom exhaust.
Oh my god!
I'm not running no TRD.
What the hell?
You can. Everybody else can.
Dude, it sounds
me.
nice. Okay,
Mine sounds
TRD
nice.
muffler up for sale with custom eBay tip. DM me if you want
Custom
it.
eBay.
Okay, I think you can remove it now. Take that puppy out.
Am I still stuck on?
Oh. Oh.
Dun dun dun.
The whiner. The one that loves to whine a lot.
Damn. I'm mad.
Why? Why are you mad? Show us why you're mad, Joseph.
I bought this car thinking it was gonna be a hairline fracture somewhere right here. You know where the supercharger.
Yeah,
mounts.
the guy did tell us that there was
So
gonna.
there's a hairline fracture from the new mount with the added vibration.
Yeah, and check this out.
Look at that.
Show her the sun. Show her the sun. Where's the other piece?
That's my crankshaft.
Dude, that crank's gone.
There's metal in there. Here's the other piece. There you go.
Oh my god. Check this out. All the heat spots on this flywheel though. And look at this clutch. It's basically gone. Oh my god. Where's this pressure plate? In here? Yep, heat spots. Damn. Calm down. Hi, Joseph. Thank you for coming and working on this car that you've been lagging on hella hard. Come, my child.